is. Oh, that wasn't ready to fall off. Yeah, it's raining really heavy. I am a bit worried about getting out of there tomorrow. Have you got COVID?
Oh.
Viewers? I better put it. Viewers, put your face mask on. Joe's about to sneeze.
No, I'm not.
Alright, you gonna do the intro, Joe?
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Well, we always go, g'day everyone here.
G'day everyone here. It's Haley, Hayley, Joe, and Larissa.
And this week we're going adventuring. We are going to Sundown National Park. We haven't been before, so this will be fun for us.
Yep, should be good.
Bring you guys along. We've got a whole heap of new gear we're testing out, see how all that goes. And should be a nice weekend.
See how cold it is.
We've got about 5 days here, so a real adventure. Good adventure when you've got to look at a map to get to where you're going.
Yep,
Never been before. So yeah, let's get into this week's video.
Woo!
Oh, and make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, follow us along.
Can I smack the camera now?
No smacking the camera. People don't like that. Pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. It's bigger than what I was expecting.
Yeah.
What are we doing, Dad?
Hello, Mr. Joe. What are you up to, buddy?
Taking a look at the pyramid.
Yeah. Let's have a little look.
Yeah, we just have to stay. We can't go past the fence.
Oh, freezing. All right, so we're just outside of Stanthorpe. We're
Ballandine.
yeah, a couple of k's south of Stanthorpe. We are headed towards, where are we going?
Well, we're going to Sundown National Park.
Sundown. That's
So,
nice.
yeah.
Yeah, we've never been. Well, I haven't been since I was a kid. I think you're about the same.
I think I was about 10 or 12 when I went.
So yeah, got a whole heap of new gear we'll be trying out this weekend. Dog's at home. He's trying out his automatic feeder.
It'll be interesting. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Lots of water in there. Thinking about that daytime beer that you put in the fridge.
Oh, that's for when we go for a drive tomorrow.
So we're pulling up to Sundown National Park. The road doesn't look too bad, but Adam's just going to air down anyway. So, yeah.
Dad got a single.
It's grease. It's grease.
It looks like blood to me.
It's grease.
How sure are you going down to?
25 in the front and 27 in the back, and probably 25 in the trailer.
Oh, yeah?
It's all about weights, and that's why they're not the same. Back of the car with the trailer on's a bit heavier.
Yep.
25's a good even off-road sort of pressure, where you got, you know, you can still go fast-ish and smooth out the bumps a little bit, not roll the tyre off the bead. Oh, that wasn't ready to fall off.
What was ready to fall off?
Cheap lock nuts. So, oh well, that was a good save. But anyway, can you hold that?
Yeah, sure. What was going on? Sway bar.
Well, I've made it so you can disconnect it with one bolt.
Yeah.
But that bolt was ready to fall off because the lock nut on it
So the lock nut didn't lock.
didn't lock.
Did you use the right key?
Right key.
Holy moly.
I killed 3 of them.
Oh gosh. What's it? So that bar just sticks down like that now?
Yeah, that's how it used to go with the other one. very similar.
It looks way more professional now.
Yeah, it's more legitimate, legal-wise, but it's a little bit more work when you just pull over and disconnect. What did you spot?
Nothing.
Old mine? What was it? Old chimney. Oh, it's windy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got real chill.
Yeah, so there's a heap of old mines in this area, but a lot of it's fenced off because all the arsenic, and there's big shafts sort of just jutting out of the ground, so got to be real careful. A lot of it's fenced off though, so keep you safe. Lots of kangaroos here, isn't there?
So cute.
We were just talking about if it rains, it might be very interesting to get out of here.
Yeah.
Even though it's quite a smooth road, or track I should say, it's got that red sort of clay look to it. And a couple of steep bits, so might be a bit interesting, but plenty of trees to winch off. And I reckon it probably dries out pretty quickly here. So there are showers predicted for not
day
tomorrow
before
and the
we
day after, for 2 days in a row though.
I'm gonna throw it with these rocks now.
That's. Hang on, wait. That rock? Are
Yeah,
you sure you want to
that
use?
exact rock.
Why do you want to use that rock?
It looks good. Maybe I can eat it.
Joe happens.
Oh my
Joe
God.
happens to chair.
This is our Camp Qube that we've got from Horizon Touring Products. And to tell you the truth, I love it. Made in Australia, Australian steel. Even the bags are made in Australia. Great product. But tonight we have a little secret for you guys. Try and guess what it is. No, it's not Cooper. So for about 40 bucks, go down to Bunnings, get yourself a rotisserie for a barbecue. They're battery powered, and for a whole chook on, about an hour and a half later on, maybe 2 hours, depending on how low the heat gets. Beautiful chicken, yummy. Look at that. Just watch this all night. Got that TV. what's on the idiot box?
The idiot is on the box.
Things couldn't have gone more wrong for me this trip.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
Things couldn't have gone more wrong.
Oh,
Didn't like
oh,
well, that's the alpha one.
Alpinion oil.
She had 3 beers, everyone. This is what she turns into. A mess.
A monster.
Beautiful spot down here.
Yeah, it's lovely.
We're lucky we got a couple of days off work, so it's sort of midweek. And we've pretty much got the place to ourselves, so very lucky.
Oh,
Yeah.
well.
Except for the
Almost
kids.
to us.
Almost. We didn't have the kids with us. Oh! You better run, little boy.
You said stop hitting yourself, so don't hit someone else.
You're getting tough, you are.
No more questions.
You should have seen him, bro.
Yeah, throw him in the
Help
water,
me!
man.
Help me! Oh God!
Oh, looks good to me.
Oh yeah, that's cooked.
That looks
What
cool.
does that take? About an hour and a half?
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
We checked it in an hour. At an hour, we're just too hungry. We checked it. Wasn't quite ready.
Like,
So-
do we risk it? No.
Just need a little bit longer, but oh, looks good now. It
Yeah.
smells good too.
Alright, and our vegetables.
Veggies we got.
Can't even talk.
Veggies have been on a bit too long, but they'll be right.
No, they'll be fine.
Morning. Morning. Bacon and eggs.
Yeah.
What a beautiful night.
That was nice, hey?
You guys already fishing? Got some yabbies.
Morning, washout, steep uneven descent and slippery rocks. Where are you taking us, Adam?
Should be interesting.
Adam's not even getting out to have a look, he's that confident. So I personally feel like maybe we should park it and have a quick look.
I can't really see where it's going. But, yeah.
Here, take this with you.
Still recording? So always, when you come to a hill, you should always jump out and have a look before you start descending, because you might not be able to back out of it. Oh yeah, no, that's not so bad.
Sprinkles.
Bit of fun.
What?
I think it does just work its way back down to the river.
Adam's definition of fun is very different to my definition of fun.
Same. Our fun is Dreamworld and the anchor.
Well, this is like a roller coaster.
It's not.
Popcorn and a movie and feet up.
It's gonna go up there, right?
So close.
Probably the most dangerous toy you've ever had in the car, Joe.
Hammer.
And Sprinkles is also the most dangerous
But this
toy.
is more dangerous.
Oh!
We're at Red Rock Gorge. It's only a short walk. Joe's having a bit of a nap in the car. Little fella slept in our bed last night, was tossing around all night and nudging us, so he probably didn't sleep very well. Parent life. So yeah, me and Haley are going to take the walk, and then when we get back, Haley and I'm going to take the walk, eh?
Yeah.
Short little walk, but apparently it's a really nice lookout.
It's only 200 meters, so
Yeah.
not too long.
5 minutes.
So you're just getting the drone out?
Yeah, do a
Little
little
flight.
drone flight. This is our little drone. This is the older model DJI Mavic Air.
And off we go. So guys, one thing that is amazing, that has been amazing on this trip, oh, don't want to hang that over the clock, is actually like the scenery. Like, look at this here. It's gorgeous.
Coming into
Down
the
to the
landing.
drone.
Done.
Yeah, it's easy.
So what's going on over here?
Well, I'm just making pizza toppings. There's one already.
Pizza night.
Pizza, yeah. Again.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry, all
Nothing
you
creative
guys.
here. just whatever the kids will eat.
Yes,
Keep the
we all
kids
eat
happy.
pizza and we all eat it really fast. Mmm. Well, you're not being a very good cameraman then.
I'm recording your head. Focused on your butt though.
Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome.
Thanks for the help, mate. Last time I asked you to help me do anything.
Very rainy morning.
Yeah.
Dad just made the Macca's.
Connect 4, it's a good game to play camping, isn't it?
Yeah, and if you're a kid, you definitely need toys to entertain yourself.
That's right.
But if you go camping, like fishing, stuff like that, you'll have more fun.
Yeah, good morning everyone. So it's a bit of a
Climbing out.
bit of a rainy day today.
Climbing out.
Joe's caught a couple little
yummy.
yabbies. Good way to keep boys entertained fishing. Had a bit of a fish, nothing really biting, but a bit of fun.
Well, we've
And,
had plenty of bites. We've almost caught lots of them.
They did predict a bit of showers today and tomorrow, and that's what we're ready for. So hopefully it's not too much, because we might struggle to get out of here tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will.
It's a nice weather to sleep in, and that's what everyone's doing. They're back in bed sleeping in. Larissa actually sprained her ankle this morning on a walk. Poor thing. And
We're all going back to inside.
yeah, everyone's inside. We're just going to chill out today. Had the day off and relax. We are on holidays. Yeah, so Larissa and Joe just staying back at camp this morning. Me and Haley are going to go for an explore, go check out the other campsite that's just around the corner from the burrows. Can't quite recall off the top of my head what it is, especially while I'm driving up this hill. Can you grab the camera, Dara?
Yep. You're mean.
Sorry. So it's a bit of a sleepy, rainy day today.
Cold.
Just me and Haley are out adventuring.
Yeah.
She takes after her old man. I take after my old man.
I take after my sprinkles.
Haley's toy she's talking about. Yeah, this is what I enjoy. I like going new places, even there's not much there, just exploring, seeing what there's about. There's actually a big campground up here. Not a lot to do at this camp spot. What did you say it was called?
Oh my god.
You forgot.
Reedy
Campground.
Can't remember.
Nice big open area, very steep, long hill to get down here.
But it's a nice
But-
flat area.
Yeah, the other campground, I can see why the Burrows is the pick of the litter. Nice big open area, the river's right there.
Oh no. Oh no.
Time for a cheat. There's 3 different ways through an obstacle like that. If you don't put your wheels in the deepest part of the ruts, you can maneuver around it. You could use more momentum, but what I did there was I just activated the front diff lock. It's good to use it every now and again. And that just gave traction to the opposite wheel at the front and allowed us to crawl through that little obstacle. Alright, we found this little offshoot of a road, little track. Seatbelt.
Oh gosh.
Okay, but you know, Hayley needs to be a competent emergency driver, and she's pretty much there. But she's got to keep up her skills. So we got about 100 meters where she can just go along first gear. There's no traffic on this little road, and I'm going to put my seatbelt on too.
Shouldn't be any traffic.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so clutch all the way in. Now slowly bring that clutch up. That's it. All the way up now. Let go of the clutch pedal. Put your foot on the ground. Keep it on the wheel track. That's it. We're just going to go first gear. We're doing... It's not even registering how slow we're going. So that's it. Okay, ease off the brake and ease off the brake. Off the brake.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, we're going to do a U-turn here. So you're going to turn full lock. Turn. Okay, watch that tree. Now hopefully we'll miss that tree. Just back turn. That's it. Have a go at this little one, eh?
Look down here, sprinkler.
Well, it's been a couple of hours and the rain has really set in now. It's not showers, it's rain, so the forecast is a little bit out there, but it is a forecast. So luckily the river's not come up yet. We've got some sticks down there to mark it. If it comes up, it might be time to get out of here. There's a big climb straight after camp, so it's very interesting with all this rain now.
It's been a heavy rain today. Still going, it's like 7 at night.
No, it's later than that.
Jeez.
Yeah.
It's been raining all day.
So it's probably pretty dark. Very dark. Yeah, it's raining really heavy. I am a bit worried about getting out of here tomorrow. We might have to actually set foot for another day. Wait for the track to dry out because, yeah, it's wet. So the people who were turned up today, camp next to us, they've already packed up and gone. So.
You ready to shut up?
Well, it has just non-stop rain. It is getting crazy. I just spent an hour running around putting all the little stuff away in case we've got to evacuate because the river could come up. Even if it doesn't though, we are going to get swamped in this campground. I'll just show you quickly, you have a look at this. There's a trench through our camp already, full of water. There's a mud pit on the other side. That's now full of water. And it's getting sort of serious, it is, so fingers crossed we're okay overnight. Sorry about that light, it is pitch black. We cannot see anything. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. If all of a sudden tomorrow morning we're in a different place, you know, we had to evacuate. There we go, Mother Nature, she knows how to throw a party. Woo.
So poor Adam's really having a time of it this morning. Good time.
Big rain.
You got this thing on?
No.
So you're just gonna eyeball it like I normally do?
Eyeball what? The trailer. Maybe.
Recording. 2 channels started. This is the future.
What happens?
This happens, Haley.
Oh, look at that. So this is one trip that hasn't really gone to plan, to be honest. I mean, look, it's been good fun, but yeah, me spraining my ankle yesterday morning, just literally, you know, it is what it is, but I think I need to see a doctor about my ankle though, because it's very, very sore, and it's like an egg.
That's on. Wow, I just checked the river. It's halfway between the second and third stick. So it's going up. I think we're probably in the lowest campsite too.
Probably, yeah.
Alright, fingers crossed we can get out of here.
Oh well. I'm least worried about this one because it's quite rocky.
This is where you need momentum. You don't want to be skating down there with the trailer. The trailer brakes are working. Yeah, they're working good. Don't want too much trailer brake, but just perfect amount. And with this trailer brake that I've got, I don't know if the Red Oak one's good, but you can manually put the trailer brakes on. And it's got, because it's got a slide, you can sort of, like a pedal, you can adjust how much you want to manually give the brakes. So right now they're not quite locking up. Just put the front locker on, just to add a bit of traction. It's kind of like ABS it is. One side won't lock up if the other side's spinning. We'll just crawl down. Yeah, so we turned from a pretty cruisy weekend into this weekend, relaxing.
Into a nightmare.
It's like perfect.
It's like freaking nightmare.
How good this weekend's been. It's like perfect weather, it's a great campsite, we're all by ourselves. Then the weekend rolled around and like a lot of people started turning up. And then it started raining. No, before it rained, you slipped over, hurt your ankle.
Yeah.
And then it started raining and raining and raining and raining and raining. Now it's gone from a cruisy weekend to a bit of an adventure.
Yeah, this is where I drove.
That's the track that Hayley was driving on yesterday off to the side.
Funny, the moment I did my ankle, I just wanted to go home because, you know, it's a lot easier just waddling around the house with a sore ankle than it is getting up and in and out of the camper trailer and stuff. That's for sure.
Let me know.
Probably
Yeah, that's where I drove. That's where I drove.
Yeah,
really?
Drove
Oh,
back there a
nice.
couple of times. Alright everyone, that's the weekend done. We're just aired up, put the sway bars back together. It was a bit of a mixed weekend, wasn't it? All the new gear working pretty well, all the old gear falling apart. Alright guys. we'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up and yeah,
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Cheers, guys. Bye. Bye. Bring the camera in the...
One good thing to do while you're a kid is annoy your dad.
Oh, stop it. You're so good at that. Thank you, Hayley, for recording. So what I did there was...
Can I help you? Ow! You just hit me in the head with a camera.
Leave me alone.
I've been annoying him all day, technically. Last night, I was literally poking him in the entire face.
And Joe slept right next to me in the bed last night.
Yeah,
He kicked me all night. This is what we enjoy, campsites like this, where you sort of got a bit of freedom. You know, there's no one...
Respectful.
Oh,
freedom.
kangaroo!
Yeah,
Kangaroo!
Rednecks, wallaby.
but there's no one camped right beside us, and the kids can make some noise and not bother anyone. And
Like this.
would you want to be camped next to him? He's so
buddy.
loud.
Hey, GoPro down here.
Are you there?
I have to live with this guy
Are
behind
you
me.
dead?